How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to check the TikTok setting. Open TikTok. Now sign into your account. Navigate to profile at bottom right corner. Now choose three-line icon at top right. Navigate to setting and privacy. Select the privacy option. Now choose Allow Direct Messages From and make sure that you tap Allow Direct Messages From and choose Everyone. And now you need to proceed towards the other step. Simply long press on TikTok application icon and select I button. After that, you need to scroll down, look for storage users and tap Clear Cache. If you remember your login info, you can even tap Clear Data and delete all the TikTok data and re-log into your account. Next, go to permission option and make sure that you allow all the apps permission like location, music, audio and many more. With that, you need to come back and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you can uninstall and reinstall TikTok app as well. Long press on TikTok and select the trash button and tap on uninstall button and reinstall from your Play Store or App Store. Now restart your device. Hold down the power button on your device and swipe towards restart. And now your DM not showing on TikTok will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.